Are you an accountant, CPA, or bookkeeper trying to protect your business from lawsuits, mistakes, or accidents? What if I told you that one simple step could save your business from a financial disaster? Welcome back to the channel where we make business insurance simple and stress-free. Today, we're diving into a super important topic: how to get accountant insurance in the United States, what it covers, why you need it, and how you can get insured in just 10 minutes online. Let's break it down, step by step. Step 1. Understand what accountant insurance is. Before you shop around, let's quickly go over what accountant insurance actually is. This is a bundle of business insurance policies tailored for accountants, CPAs, tax preparers, and bookkeepers. It protects you from claims like making a mistake on a client's tax return, being accused of negligence, legal fees if someone sues you. Whether you're a solo accountant or running a small CPA firm, this coverage can be a lifesaver. Step 2. Know what's covered. Now let's look at the types of insurance you may need as an accountant. These policies help manage different kinds of risks, and most are customizable based on your business. General liability insurance. This is the basic coverage most businesses need. It protects you from things like property damage to someone else's belongings, bodily injury to a client at your office, legal fees and medical payments. Example: a client trips in your office and breaks their arm. This policy helps cover medical bills and legal costs. Professional liability insurance, also called E&O. This is the must-have coverage for any accountant or CPA. It protects you if you're accused of making a mistake that causes a client to lose money, negligence, even if it's only alleged, failure to deliver expected services. Example: a client claims your tax advice caused them to overpay thousands. This policy helps pay legal defense fees or settlements. Commercial auto insurance. Do you use your car for work-related errands or meetings? If yes, your personal auto policy won't cover accidents that happen during business use. Commercial auto insurance covers medical costs, vehicle repairs, rental car reimbursement. Even if you're just driving to meet clients, you may need this. Workers' compensation insurance. If you have employees, even just one, most states require workers' comp insurance. It helps pay for medical treatment if someone gets injured at work, lost wages during recovery. Employer liability. Solo business owner? You can also include yourself in the policy for protection. Commercial property insurance. If you rent or own office space, this policy protects your furniture and equipment, your inventory and documents, the building itself, if you own it. Covered risks might include fire, theft, or water damage. Imagine if a pipe bursts and destroys your records, property insurance helps recover from that. Step 3. Understand what affects the cost. So how much will this cost you? It depends on a few things. Type of services you offer, tax prep, audits, etc. Location of your business, number of employees, claims history, your annual revenue. The good news? With companies like Next Insurance, you can save up to 25% in discounts and get everything done online in minutes. Check out the link in the description box below. Step 4. Get a free online quote. Now let's get into how to actually get accountant insurance. This part is super easy. Head over to a provider like Next Insurance. Choose your profession, e.g., CPA, bookkeeper, tax preparer. Select the coverage you need: general liability, professional liability, etc. Enter your business details. Review your custom quote. Pay and download your policy documents instantly. All of this takes about 10 minutes online. Seriously. No paperwork. No phone calls. No hassle. Plus, once you're insured, you get unlimited proof of insurance you can share with clients at no extra cost. Step 5. Check what coverage is required. Let's talk about what's legally or contractually required. Some states and clients will require you to have professional liability insurance, especially if you handle financials. General liability insurance for office-related risks. Workers' comp if you have employees. Commercial auto if you drive for work. Property insurance for lease agreements. Check your state regulations and any client contracts. If you skip this step, you could lose out on jobs or face fines. Final thoughts. Let's recap. Accountant insurance protects your business from costly mistakes, lawsuits, and accidents. You'll likely need professional liability, general liability, workers' comp if you have employees, commercial property or auto, depending on your situation. You can get insured online in minutes, often for a great price, with providers like Next Insurance. And yes, you can save up to 25% in discounts. That's it, now you know how to get accountant insurance in the US. One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.